looking at your budget and you're thinking, I have questions like, what's my largest grocery expense this month? Or my largest grocery bill this year? Well, I'm in a spreadsheet and I use Tiller, so I'm going to go to the transaction sheet, which automatically imports my transactions across my accounts. So I can look for the groceries and I can find where my grocery expenses are, but I don't want to do it manually. So I'm going to go ahead and insert a sheet, and I'm going to say equals max and go over to the transactions, and I can, in column E, highlight the range that I'm looking for. Now to keep this simple, I'm just going to do the whole column, and my maximum value in column E is I don't have a $6,000 expense. That's income, right? Because the transactions are marked as negative. So instead of max, I'm going to do equals min. So these work the same, except instead of the max, we're going to find the minimum value. So I want the minimum value out of column E transactions. And again, I'm just going to truncate the bottom row there so I can capture the entire column. And I can see that my maximum expense on the spreadsheet is $3,600, but that's not my maximum grocery expense. So that is where equals MINIFS. MINIFS is because I want the minimum value, which is really my maximum value. What's my largest grocery expense? But it has to be in the category of groceries. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that range again. So it's still that range, comma, I want to do the category of groceries. So I'm going to highlight that grocery category. So looking on the transaction sheet D2 to D, and put this in quotations, I want groceries. So this is going to allow me to answer the question, what's my largest grocery bill based on the category on the transaction sheet. Now that's going to be all time. So to keep it simple, let's modify this a little bit that I don't want all of column E, but I can actually see that my monthly expenses for this month started at row 75. So I'm going to edit this just to be from E2 to E75 and D2 to D75 so I can see that my largest grocery expense this month is $141.23.